Students, today we are going to learn the linear differential equation. This is fourth method. Already three are completed. First one, variable separable. Next, homogeneous differential equation. Next, exact differential equation. Today we are going to learn linear differential equation. So what is the linear differential equation of first order? A differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, or dy by dx p of x into y equal to q of x, where p comma q are functions of x, is called a differential equation in y. Notation: p or q or p of x comma q of x, okay, are the functions of x or constant, is called a differential equation in y, linear differential equation in y. Because here linear differential equation in y means dy by dx must be first order, means dy by dx must be power is 1 and y power also 1, and no terms, product terms of y and dy by dx. Okay, the differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p comma q are functions of x, is called a linear differential equation in y. Please listen carefully, it is important. The differential equation is of the form, ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉండాలి, dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, means y power is 1, y power must be 1 and dy by dx power must be 1. Powers 1 ఉండాలి, y power and dy by dx powers degrees must be 1, and it is of the form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q, where p comma q are functions of x. It is called linear differential equation in y. Next, what is the solution then? And then we have to find, it is a differential equation, p and q are functions of x, then integrating factor if. Shortcut I am writing if equal to e to the power of pd integration pdx, e to the power of integration pdx. This value is called integrating factor. Then general solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, y into integrating factor, that equal to integration of q into if integrating factor dx plus c. This is the general solution of given differential equation, that is a linear differential equation in y, dy by dx plus py equal to q. Okay, this is the general solution of given differential equation. Means if it is in the form of linear differential equation in y, dy by dx plus py equal to q, then you have to identify p value and q value, then find what integrating factor e to the power of integration p dx, then substitute the values p value and integrating factor value q value in the solution. Y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. Okay, next, working rule for solving linear differential equation. So first step is we have to rewrite the given equation in the standard form. Standard form means dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. First of all, you have to write the given equation in the form of standard form, that is dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Okay, then next, identify p value and q value. Second step is identify p of x and q of x. Next, third step, find the integrating factor if equal to e to the power of integration p dx. So write the general solution of the equation as y into if equal to integration q into if dx plus c. If means integrating factor. So simplify this one, integrate and simplify, you get the answer. And while finding the if e to the power of integration p dx, this formula is very important, it will be useful. E to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x. E to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x will become, base and log base are same, therefore e to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x. This is working rule. We have to rule 4 steps. First one, rewrite in the standard form. Second one, identify p value, q value, then find integrating factor and substitute in the solution. Okay. Now look at the problems. First problem, find the integrating factor of dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cosec x. Dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cosec x. Okay, in this given differential equation is dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cosec x. It can be written as dy by dx cot x into y equal to cosec x. That is equation 1. I am writing the given equation in the standard form dy by dx p into y equal to q. So compare equation 1 with standard form dy by dx plus py equal to q. What we will get? P equal to y coefficient, y function coefficient, that is cot x. Q means RHS, q equal to cosec x. Okay, p equal to cot x, we get here cot x, q equal to cosec x. Then f integrating factor means e to the power of p dx, integration of p dx, that is integration of e to the power of integration of cot x dx. What is the cot x integration? We have the formula, that is e to the power of log of sin x. E to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x, therefore we get sin x. Already know e to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x. Therefore here instead of f of x we have sin x, that is the sin x is the answer. That is only in the question it is asked to find only linear integrating factor. It is up to integrating factor is enough. So first we have to write the given differential equation in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Identify p value and q value and find integrating factor. Substitute in the integrating factor. Next problem, dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to 1 by x square. Here also, so it can be written as dy by dx 2 by x. 2 by x into y equal to 1 by x square. So compare given equation with dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So we get p equal to 2 by x and q equal to 1 by x square. So integrating factor formula, if equal to e to the power of integration p dx, that is e to the power of p means 2 by x, integration 2 by x dx, 2 is outside, e to the power of 2 into integration of 1 by x dx, 1 by x integration log x, e to the power of 2 into log x. This 2 will goes to this power, logarithmic properties, that is e to the power of log x square. E to the power of log x square means x square, that is integrating factor equal to x square. Okay, here also e to the power of log of f of x. It formula is useful. F of x equal to what? F of x. In the place of f of x, here we have x square, that becomes a x square. Next, homework problems, dy by dx plus y by x equal to 3 and next fourth one, dy by dx plus y equal to cos x. Next, dy by dx minus 2y by x equal to 3x. What is the p value here? 1 into means 1 by x, q is the 3. Here p value is 1 into y, so p value is 1 and q value is cos x. Here p value is minus 2 by x and q value is 3x. These values are q's and remaining these values are p. Okay. Integrating factor substitution in the formula, you get the integrating factor. Next, solve. Now the problems will become solve. Solve means we have to find out total solution of the given differential equation. So dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to sec x. So it can be written as given differential equation dy by dx plus tan x into y equal to sec x, that is equation 1. It is in the standard form. So compare equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. We get p equal to tan x and q equal to sec x. Dy by dx p into y, therefore p equal to tan x and q equal to sec x. And integrating factor, that is formula e to the power integration e to the power of p dx. So e to the power of integration tan x dx, that equal to e to the power of integration of tan x is log of sec x. So log of sec x. So e to the power of log of sec x means it is sec x, because e to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x. Instead of f of x we have sec x, therefore it is sec x. Integrating factor is sec x, and its general solution, we have to find its general solution. Y into, what is the general solution formula for linear differential equation in y? That is y into if equal to integration of q into if dx plus c. So substitution if equal to sec x, y into sec x, integration q means q is also sec x, so sec x into sec x, if means sec x dx, sec x into sec x, sec square x, y into sec x, integration of sec square x dx, sec square x integration tan x plus c. So y into sec x plus tan x equal to tan x plus c is the solution of given differential equation. So in this we have to first write the equation in the standard form: dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Identify p value, q value, then find the integrating factor, that is formula e to the power of integration p dx, and in the general solution, then general solution y into integrating factor equal to q into integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. Next problem, dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cosec x, cos x, sorry, dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cos x. So given differential equation, dy by dx plus cot x into y equal to cos x. So compare given equation 1 with dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. Standard form to compare. So what is the p value? P value is here cot x, and what is the q value? Q value is cos x. P value is cot x and q value is cos x. And integrating formula, integrating factor, e to the power of integration p dx, that is e to the power of cot x. Cot x integration e to the power of log of sin x. So e to the power of log of sin x means sin x. E to the power of log of f of x is f of x. Therefore f of x means here we have sin x, therefore it is sin x. Integrating factor is sin x. And p value is cot x and q value is cos x, and if integrating factor is sin x. So substitute in the general solution formula, we get general solution of 1 is y into if equal to q integration q into if dx plus c. So y into sin x equal to integration of q and take cos x, integrating factor is sin x dx plus c. So to write it in the formula of sin 2 theta, 2 is missing, so we have to multiply and divide with 2. So y into sin x is as it is in LHS, and 1 by 2 into 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x means sin 2x. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So instead of theta we have x, therefore it is sin 2x dx. 1 by 2 into integration of sin 2x dx plus c. What is the sin 2x integration? We have sin 2x integration is 1 by 2 into minus cos 2x by 2. Sin 2x integration is minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. So if you multiply, y into sin x equal to minus cos 2x by 2 into 2 is 4, minus cos 2x by 4 plus c. It is the general solution of given differential equation. Next, homework problems: dy by dx plus y equal to e to the power of minus x. P value is 1 and q value is e to the power of minus x. Next, dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to sin x. Here p value is tan x and q value is sin x. And dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to 1 by x square. P value is 2 by x and q value is 1 by x square. And dy by dx plus y into cot x equal to cosec x. P value is cot x and q value is cosec x. Okay, these 4 problems are homework. Next problem, 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x cube. Okay. 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x cube. But here dy by dx is multiplying with 1 plus x square, but we have to convert this equation in the standard form. What is the standard form? Dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. So here dy by dx coefficient must be 1 into, but here we have 1 plus x square, so we have to make it this as a 1, coefficient 1, so divide the equation with total 1 plus x square. స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే డివై బై డిఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 కావాలి, ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి 1, దేర్ ఫోర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ విత్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. సో గివెన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ 1 plus x square into dy by dx plus 2xy equal to x cube. I am dividing with 1 plus x square is cancelled out, we get dy by dx, then plus 2xy by 1 plus x square, x cube by 1 plus x square, and this can be written as dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y equal to x cube by 1 plus x square, that is equation 1. dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y plus x cube by 1 plus x square. Remaining problem is as the same, only conversion. So first of all, the given differential equation must be in the standard form, that is dy by dx plus p into y, dy by dx plus p into y equal to q form. dy by dx coefficient must be 1. Here 1 plus x square is there, so you have to convert it into standard form. So divide total equation with 1 plus x square. Then it is the equation dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y equal to x cube by 1 plus x square. So compare given equation 1 with standard form dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. We get p value 2x by 1 plus x square and q value x cube by 1 plus x square. So integrating factor if equal to e to the power of integration p dx, that is e to the power of integration 2x by 1 plus x square p dx, and it is the formula f of x equal to, if you take f of x equal to denominator 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, and derivative, what is the derivative? 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. 0 plus 2x means 2x. It is f dash x by f of x form. Integration of f dash x by f of x, that is log of f of x. Integration formula f dash x by f of x, that is log of f of x. f of x means 1 plus x square, therefore e to the power of log of 1 plus x square. So e to the power of log of 1 plus x square means 1 plus x square, since e to the power of log of f of x equal to f of x. Instead of here f of x means 1 plus x square, therefore we get 1 plus x square. So substitute these values in the general solution formula. General solution of equation 1 is y into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx. y into integrating factor is 1 plus x square, integrating factor is 1 plus x square, and q value is x cube by 1 plus x square. So x cube value is integration x cube by 1 plus x square, and integrating factor is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancelled out, we get only x cube. Y into 1 plus x square equal to integration x cube dx plus c. Integration of x cube is x to the power of 4 by 4, therefore the solution is y into 1 plus x square equal to x to the power of 4 by 4 plus is the general solution. This is the linear differential equation in y. Okay, standard form. What is the standard form? dy by dx, dy by dx plus p into y equal to q. It is the standard form. Identify, write the given equation in the standard form and compare with standard form, we get p value and q value. Then integrating factor if equal to e to the power of integration p dx. By using this formula you have to find out integrating factor. And then general solution, y into integrating factor if equal to integration q into if dx plus is the constant. Okay, we have to find. This is general solution of linear differential equation. Okay, do the homework problems and complete your fair notes also. If you have any doubts, contact me. Okay, thank you.